girl from your video, and I ain't built like a supermodel, but I learned to love myself unconditionally because I am a queen. I'm not the average girl from your video. My worth is not determined by the price of my clothes. No matter what I'm wearing, I will always be India.
Hello YouTube. So today this video is going to be a little bit different. Seeing how like a lot of the things that I have in my closet or that I like, a lot of people would consider them weird or odd. I'm going to give you a little bit of a preview of some of the items that I have, or some of the shoes that I have in my closet that are uniquely weird, I should say. That's going to be my word, uniquely weird. But anyways, most of the shoes that I'm going to show you are just things that others claim that they can't really pull off, or that they think that they'll be judged. But with me being who I am, I'm into those weird things because it just makes me me. And I don't care about what other people say. It's about me being happy with who I am and me expressing myself. And a lot of the times people, would compliment me and say that some of the stuff that I wear, like, they wouldn't wear. But with me being who I am and me being happy with who I am, I want to basically show you guys, some of the pieces and just being bold. To add on, I must say that a handful of the items are DIY because I like to add a little bit of a twist to my stuff sometimes. So yeah, I'll let you guys know which ones are DIY'd. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Like, share, and comment whatever shoes that you like in this video. Okay, so first and foremost, I'm going to pull out my favorite ones out of my collection. Like, these are my all-time faves. A lot of people say these are really, really weird, but I love them. So here they are. Okay, so these are from a brand called Irregular Choice. They just, I don't know, they're just so unique. Like, they just explain themselves. Like, you don't need to do too much of a crazy outfit with these because the shoe itself has a lot going on, So yeah, these are my favorites. The hearts, I think, is what really got me, because my favorite thing is hearts. I love hearts. I love polka dots. I love pearls. I love pink. So this was just me. Like, it just explains me. So now on to my second shoe. I have these like platform like shoes. I don't know, I really love platforms. I don't know what it is with platforms, but I really, really love them. And platforms are comfortable, so why not? Like, you have to have at least one pair of platforms in your closet. You have to. It's only right. Okay, next is my other, I'm not gonna say favorite, but it is my favorite, one of my favorite brands, and that is Jeffrey Campbell. You can't go wrong with another platform. I keep telling y'all, these platforms is what it did. Like, y'all don't understand. I love me a platform shoe. Jeffrey did his thing with these, y'all. Okay, next I have a pink one of my, y'all don't understand. I'll have to show you the original, but these are one of the shoes that I DIY'd and added a bow to it. They kind of remind me of the Rihanna creepers, but I just like to be cheap sometimes, so yeah. These were a dupe for the creepers, and they still came out cute, and I made them my own way. So yeah, these are just really bomb. I love anything iridescent. Like I just love girly things. Okay, you're gonna hear me say love throughout the whole video because I just love a lot. I love a lot. Okay, so next I have my little gray heels. They kind of remind me of like Solange. Like, she is my inspiration. Like, nobody understands my love that I have for Solange. And for some reason, these remind me of Solange. Like, but yeah, these were another DIY. I added the little fur boa. It was just, I don't know. I just felt like it needed a little bit of, a little bit more of a pop to them. They're a little plain, but I love them. They're so cute. Is a blue jean like platform shoe. They were a gift from one of my best friends in the whole wide world, but she knows me. I love my platform, so yeah, she hooked your girl up. But these are so cute. Like, I love denim on denim too, so you can never go wrong with a whole denim outfit with the shoes included. What? Okay. Now I have these nude pairs that kind of look like the denim a little bit, but these are a little bit higher. They have more of a platform to them. But yeah, I found these at Akira and I just loved them when I seen them. Like, you could never go wrong with these. So next is boots, and these, man, they just give me life. I love the floral in it, the pattern. They kind of remind me of like Timberland with the platform on them. Just so cute. Next I have like a summer, end of spring type shoe. And these I DIY'd. I don't know. I love the fur boa. Anything with fur. Okay? I already told y'all this video was going to consist of me loving everything. Now I have another sandal. These ones kind of remind me of like ice cream. Like, look at them, they're just so pretty. The pastel. And these are also a DIY. I just went to Joann's and got the little cotton ball thing looking things, the little pom-poms, and just glued them to my shoe. Last but not least is a pair of all those shoes that I really love. And they say they have a heart on one and me on the other, and that just explains me, because I love me. I love who God created me to be. So I'm like, I might as well just get this shoe because it's pink, has fur, has a heart, and it says me on it. All the things that I love, duh. But anyways, yeah, that basically concludes this video. I hope you guys are inspired, and like I said before, comment whatever shoes that you liked, or yeah, or whatever you want me to do next. Like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media, and I hope you guys enjoy your week.